What's going on, guys? Here we go again, another video, another beautiful cold ass weather. Just a POV Mark II in its natural habitat. Not playing. Let's get it. Sponsored by Snapple. You already know. Oh yeah, foul. Seatbelt first, guys. Safety first. You know the deal. Alright, where are we going? Come on, piece of shit. Ah, God damn it. Luckily, I kind of know where I'm going. These streets are all fucked up, man. This is not the place for the video, but it is what it is. Window down? Yeah, a little bit cracked. Oh shit. Good car. Hate this freaking weather. What is that, a damn homeless cat?